Everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas.com, and today I thought we would make these really nifty sunset pictures. This is one of the crafts you can find in our August craft section at Kidfunideas.com, and it comes with all the directions and a couple of easy templates so that you can cut them out and make little silhouettes for the background. This one comes with a cactus and a cowboy, but there's also two other silhouettes that you can get. One is some pine trees and a big brown bear that you can get in the camping lantern craft, which is in the July crafts. So for this craft, what you will need is one piece of black paper and one piece each of yellow, red, and orange construction paper, scissors, and some glue stick. So you round up your stuff and we'll get started. Okay, so for this project, black construction paper is going to be your background piece. So you need one piece of black construction paper, and then you need three more colors, the yellow, the red, and the orange. And to start with this craft, what you're going to do is take your paper along the short edge, and you're going to just start tearing it, and you'll notice it tears not in a straight line. So that's good, because you're going to want your paper, your sunset, to look a little bit unexpected. So when you have all your pieces glued down, see, some are short little pieces and some are really long pieces in the background, and they're all sitting on top of this black piece of paper. So you continue to make yellow strips and red strips and orange strips, and I'm going to jump ahead here and bring my pre-cut papers over here that I did a little bit earlier, and start at the top. So I'm going to do this upside down so you can see what we're doing. Start at the top and just take your glue stick, and we're just going to start gluing these pieces of ripped paper onto the paper. And there is no right or wrong way to do this. You can do this in a pattern. You can do this in little tiny pieces. If something rips, just don't even worry about it, because at the end of it, it will all come together and look just fine. So you have a little piece and it's tore in the middle. That's just fine. We're going to fit that right here. I'm going to fit this one over here because I like the way that looks. I think some more yellow. You just keep going and building your picture and all the different layers. And if it hangs over the edge on the back, you can always just trim it so that it's a little bit neater. Let's get another red in there. So we're just going to continue all the way down, and depending on how well, how much skill you have in cutting out shapes with scissors. So the younger kids might want to cut out the cactus shape because it's very, very simple, and older kids who might have a little bit more skill set in cutting out of stuff might want to try it for the cowboy one, because that is much more detailed. And if on the cowboy one you accidentally like tear off or rip a piece of him, I wouldn't worry about it. You can just draw that in with a black marker. So for example, if his reins got ripped off in the picture, you can just draw those in. So like this part here, you can draw that in. So we're just going to continue down, just adding more layers until you like the way it looks. And if some of the black peeks through, that's kind of neat also. Let's add some more orange. And at the very bottom, you're going to leave some of that black, because that's going to look like where your image, your final image, is going to stand. So you can see mine is over the edge there a little bit. I'm going to add a couple of little yellow pieces in here. I think that looks neat. And the last one I think I'm going to add is this yellow, because I like the way the yellow looks up against the black. Okay. Turn that over. There we go. I'm getting glue everywhere. Okay. Now you'll notice some of it is hanging over the edge. That's fine. All you need to do is take your little scissors, trim that part off. And it'll look a lot neater after that. Okay, so now we have our sunset with a little bit of the black peeking through. So the next thing we need to do is pick our image. So if you are a beginner, you can go ahead and do the cactus. There's also an easy bear one under the camping section for the lantern. It has a bear and these pine trees, and you can cut out all of them and just test them out and see what you think. Do you like the way that one looks? Or let's cut out the cactus and we'll see what that one looks like. So if it's a cactus, it'd probably be in the desert somewhere. And if you were up in the mountains, you might be where there are pine trees. All right, so we're going to cut out our image. And if a little white is still around the edges, you can do one of two things. You can touch it up with a Sharpie marker, a black Sharpie marker, or you can just leave it because it'll still look really nifty. And this is just a super simple cactus shape. All right, almost there. Okay. All right, so we can try out our pine trees. That looks kind of cool. Or we could try out this great big cactus. And I'm kind of liking the way the great big cactus looks. So I think for this picture, I'm going to do the cactus. So the last thing to do for this is just to go ahead and add some glue onto that, and then put it right on your picture. So it looks like a sunset. And all sunsets are different. So it really doesn't matter, you know, which order of the pieces of shredded paper you put them in, or which comes first or last, or if it tore or whatever, because it all will look really pretty at the end. All right, well, I hope you guys are able to make your own sunset pictures. They're super pretty and they're really clever. Okay, until next time, I will see you. Bye-bye.